Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about a product from Under the Sun Inserts that's going to change the look of your Jeep vehicle for good. And it's made in the USA, easy to install, any of you can do it. There's hundreds of different designs as well. The design we picked was the American flag in the gray and the black. It's just a perfect match for that black grille. But to get to this point, to get it in, I'm going to take you through some basic steps to get this into your vehicle. This happens to be a 22 Jeep Gladiator. They have them for all makes and models Jeeps, so you just have to go on their website and pick out exactly what you want. But step one, open the hood, then we're going to get this grille out of here. Let me show you. All right, once you have the hood open, it's basically very easy, at least on the 22 Jeep Gladiator. It's just 6 plastic pop rivets that you can use, literally a flathead screwdriver. You don't need a fancy tool to do it. You pop the center out, and then you can go ahead and pop the rest of it out, like so. And you rinse and repeat for all 6 of those. I'm gonna go ahead and pop those out. Then the whole top of the grill just pulls out. Get back with you. All right, guys, we got our 6 pop plastic rivets on the top. Pull out of this thing. Now, again, you could be doing this right in your driveway. You don't need a garage or anything. That's why we're doing it outside. Plus, it's really nice out. You're going to actually lift up on the corners on this model here. Now keep in mind, if this isn't your particular model, they're all very similar, but they have full tutorials and instructions on the Under the Sun Inserts website as well, so you want to check that out. But we pop the top of our grill out, okay? In some cases, your insert's right here now. It literally can just go ahead and set right in there. But I'm going to show you exactly what's involved to get to this point. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to assume that this is not here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and finish taking my grill out. So the top is out, and the bottom, you grab right down low, and it pulls straight out. You're then going to take your grill, you're going to come over here to your workbench and or a hood of a truck that's protected with a blanket. I'm going to show you what we had to remove here. Okay, if you had the Jeep Gladiator and some of the other Jeep models, they have the honeycomb inserts in them. I just set this one back in there so you could see it, because we've already done the initial install. But these come out in sections, okay? So you're going to want to get yourself a T20 Torx bit, and there's a bunch of T20s along here on the inside of your grill, okay? I think 6 or 8 of them. And then their inserts are in sections here, and they literally will get screwed in and clipped in. They also have little white clips in the middle that retain it that way, okay? So you're gonna be taking these out, you're gonna take the screws out, and these pop out. There's 2 tabs right here, top and bottom, so it's actually screwed in, clipped in, and tabbed in. They didn't want this thing coming out, let me tell you. And of course, you picked out the grill of your choice, the one you wanted on Under the Sun Inserts website. Okay, not only are these things rust-proof, they have a lifetime guarantee, and when you go ahead and install these things, there's no drilling, there's none of that. So it's that easy. I have 2 tools, a T20 Torx and a flathead screwdriver. But what's the really cool thing about this? This one is one-sided, okay? They also make them so they're dual-sided. So if you were tired of the look of this, and you had some crazy, I don't know, Incredible Hulk face or something on the inside, you'd literally take it and flip it over. You don't have to take your entire grill out at that point. You just do what we did over there, where you pop the top, just the top itself out. All right, your insert itself, as far as the install goes, when the bottom of the grill is clipped into the vehicle, it just sits on this little shelf of clips right here, and then it goes in the top, and when you push the top in, the whole thing is held in there with just pressure from the body of the vehicle itself. That's it. There's no fasteners that hold this thing in. It's not needed. It doesn't rattle or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna assume we took all the grill inserts out. We put our screws back in, okay? We did put the screws back in. Take your grill inserts and everything set it aside in case you want it for the future. But now you take your grill that's no longer has the honeycombs in it. You kind of come over here, carefully set the bottom down in here. And if you get a shot down in here, you can see all these clips. You see the clips down there? That's what you're going for first. So I'm gonna go ahead and they just push in. You hear that click? That's all it takes. Now you're gonna take your Under the Sun insert, whichever one you chose to use. Your bottom of your grill is flipped in here. You're gonna pull the top out, just a little bit of pressure, centered. You're gonna take your insert itself, you're gonna just kind of slide it in here, and it's gonna sit on those tabs in there like so. Just like this. That is it. Okay? Now I'm making sure it's centered between the headlights, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna push the grill back in over the top clips. You hear that one? That's it. Now, as you can see, the pressure's holding it in. We're gonna go ahead and reverse order, put our plastic retainers back in the top, and that is gonna be it. So let me get these babies back in here, and I'll check right back in with you. On your plastic rivets itself, just keep in mind that you want to push the outer section or the lower section down into that hole first, like that. Then you're going to go ahead and push the center section down, and that locks it in. That's it as far as those go. Pretty easy. All right, as you can see, we're all installed. This thing is not going anywhere. It's on there, it's tight, it looks fantastic. Pick your tools up, close that hood, and you're ready to go show off your new piece. All right, guys, so it's as simple as that. Go check out Under the Sun Inserts websites. You can choose from hundreds of designs. Whether you have a JK, a JL, whatever it is you have, they've got you covered. Not only are they doing grill inserts, but they have the decals for the windows. They have all kinds of different cool accessories for your Jeep. Go check out Under the Sun Inserts. This is Scott from Flippin' Customized.